Why haven't you set fruit yet? You freeloading flower.
It's not my fault. It's the guys. The male flowers are useless. They have zero pollen.
I don't care. If I don't see a baby melon by today, snip snip, you're fired.
Oh no, not the scissors. Looks like I need to use some advanced technology. Sorry, my future babies. You won't have seeds, but mama needs to survive.
Hey, you're pregnant. I mean fruiting. Good job. Keep growing.
2,000 years.
Why are all the seeds white and empty? Oh right, the female flower wasn't pollinated naturally. She used hormones to force the fruit to grow. Oh, tastes sweet though. Too bad it's infertile. White seeds. This melon is full of hormones. If I eat this, will I become infertile too?
Bro, relax. We use plant hormones. You are not a plant. It does nothing to you. Hey, were you trying to pick my flower while I was sleeping? What is wrong with you?
Oops, you caught me. I was just trying to help. This old flower needs to come off.
How is picking my flower helping? If you want to pick a flower, pick your own. I want to be all natural, no artificial interference.
Fine, be all natural, respect its fate, but don't say I didn't warn you. Hey, boss, these watermelons are all cracked. Why are you trying to sell them?
Ah, this is a new variety. They cracked open because they're just as sweet. If you want one, I'll give you a special discount just for you.
Finally, I've set fruit. My baby, eat up.
Mom, I'm full.
That's not enough. Have some more.
Nope. Hey, who told you to feed it so much?
What the heck? It's all misshapen.
This is caused by excessive nutrition during the fruit setting stage. This big one is ruined. I'll have to focus on the small one instead.
What are you pinching me for?
Gently pinching the vine makes the nutrients flow back, which ensures the fruit develops a good shape. Once the wound is healed, you can feed it however you want.
Okay then, but if my baby starves, you're in big trouble.
Guaranteed no problem.
2,000 years later.
In the early fruit setting stage, you have to pinch the vine. That's how the melon grows into a perfect shape. Wacky farmer, hey, ever thought about, becoming a legend, achieving immortality?
Dude, get real. What century are you living in? That's, totally illegal now. Don't be weird.
Okay. No need to get your vines in a twist. I'm not kidding. Let me ask you this. How would you like to become a work of art?
A work of art? What are we supposed to become? Some kind of legendary, baby-shaped ginseng fruit from the myths.
Bingo! You guessed it! I knew you'd be perfect for this!
Whoa, hey, you just slapped a case on me. How am I supposed to breathe in this thing?
Relax. See, it's got air holes, plus, it's special PP plastic, so it won't even block your daily dose of sunshine. Just relax and let it happen.
2,000 years.
So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh?
Humph, I gotta admit, it's a unique look. It's just that my cheeks feel totally squished.
Hey boss, are these a molded watermelons ripe?
What kind of question is that? I run a fruit stand. Of course they're ripe. I wouldn't sell you a raw melon, would I? Wait a second. How do you know they're just grown in a mold?
Wacky farmer.
Sigh, I'm already ripe. Why hasn't anyone come to pick me yet?
Who knows? Since nobody wants you anyway, why not give back to the family?
Huh, what do you mean? Hey, why are you pulling my nutrients back?
Didn't you see? There are little brothers and sisters over here that need feeding. You're the eldest. You gotta help them out.
Okay, fine then. Ooh, this feels awful. I feel like my body's being hollowed out.
Don't be so dramatic. The eldest just has to contribute more.
Ooh, I can't take it anymore. Sigh, I've become a hollow melon.
This watermelon's ripe. Gotta pick it quick. Otherwise, the nutrients will flow back, and it'll turn hollow.
All right, my little green orbs. This is the secret recipe for ultimate sweetness. Just don't let those rocks roll, okay?
Bro, are you sure this rock on the head thing is legit?
It's just a pebble? Chillin'. What if, nothing happens? Whoa, how'd that rock end up on the dirt?
Hey, don't even think about putting it back. What if that thing stunts my growth? Total buzzkill! Dude, you look like you're about to pop. Isn't that, mega uncomfortable? Just eat that rock. Man, you'll thank me later.
No way. I'm gonna be the sweetest melon in this patch, and this rock is my crown.
Bert's still rocking that rock. You're one tough melon.
Gotta hold on, even if I can't feel my rind. I'm practically a melon cycle. Too late to back out now. It's probably super glued with ice.
2,000 years later.
Well, I'll be dipped. Turns out, this rock on the melon trick, with that crazy day to night temperature swing actually makes M way sweeter. Who knew?
Yo, little bro, why are you acting so emo all day? What's wrong?
That red melon next door, he said because my insides are yellow, I'm a defect. He said I'll never be sweet like him.
Don't listen to that hater. That's total cap. With me around, you're gonna be the sweetest guy in the patch.
Whoa, bro, what is this stuff? It tastes expensive? It's my secret sugar milk smoothie. 2 parts brown sugar, 1 part milk powder. Mix it with water. I'm pouring it straight to your roots. Drink up. This is pure glucose gains for your sweetness level.
Say less. I need those gains.
Hey, boss, his yellow melon. Are you sure it's ripe? Is it actually sweet?
Look, I know I've scammed you a few times before, but trust me, this one is crunchy and sweet as honey. Give it a taste.
Big bro, you've been ripe for days. Is anyone gonna come pick you?
I don't know.
All right, since you're not in a hurry, I'm just gonna reroute your nutrients to the other brothers.
No, don't. You've made me totally hollow. How am I ever gonna get sold now? What are you thumping for? Acting like you're some kind of expert. What can you even tell from that?
This sound is too muffled. It was definitely picked too late, causing the nutrients to flow back and make it hollow. Cut it open if you don't believe me.
This is a specialty melon, 5.98 a pound. I'll round it off for you. Let's just call it an even 120.
Wacky farmer. Whoa, I get my own private suite. Such VIP treatment.
Haha, this box will boost your market value.
Really though? This whole box life is too modern. You've made my flesh too stiff to handle. And you turned me into a total lunatic fruit corpse.
Hey, crazy fruit equals expensive fruit.
Huh? What up? I'm here to buy some melon, boss. Why the heck is this melon so expensive?
Dude, where can you find trustworthy melons these days? These were literally grown in molds. You think it's pricey? I think it's pricey.
They all sound so resonant. How am I supposed to pick one? Hey, let's ask AI.
You can't hear or feel M. How are you gonna pick a P-grade melon?
I can't feel M, but I can analyze M. This one here, just by its looks, it's no good.
Hey, are you judging a melon by its cover?
Your stripes are all messy, and your shape isn't symmetrical. How could you be tasty? This one's way rounder.
Hee hee, then I'll take this one.
What's the rush? This one looks ugly, but its stem is super fresh. That means it was picked before it was ripe, and the stem can't be too dry either. That means it's been sitting around too long and isn't fresh.
So this one's no good, and that one's no good. Then there's nothing left to pick.
Look at the stripes on this one, clear and wide. That means it got plenty of sunlight and water, and the nutrients are good too.
The rind will be thinner. Don't just look at the thin rind. It's gotta be sweet, right?
Guaranteed sweet, and look at its belly button. The smaller it is, the fewer seeds it has. All the nutrients went into making sugar, guaranteed sweet.
Wow, this AI is advancing so fast, it can even pick out watermelons.
So, did your AI tell you what to do when you get robbed?
Yeah, feeling a bit heaty lately. Let's get a watermelon to cool down.
Yo, your way of eating is pretty niche. You don't eat the flesh, you eat the rind.
Oh, this rind? I have my own use for it.
Hey, what kind of weird stuff are you pouring into my head?
This is saltpeter. Letting it combine with you will produce a legendary heat-clearing artifact.
What kind of kinky play is this? Are you perhaps after my body?
What are you thinking? By tying you up here to air dry for a week, my artifact will be complete.
Huh? Why has the stuff inside my belly run outside? Oh, icy cool and quite refreshing.
If you feel heaty, just make your own watermelon frost.
Wacky farmer, always fresh, always fun.